If you want people to watch your videos for longer, one of the simplest and most underrated tricks is layering in good B-roll footage. And if you are using Vizard, you can do it like a total professional without needing to turn into a full-time video editor overnight. B-roll is simply the supplemental footage in filmmaking and video production that acts as the visual glue for your main on-camera talk. Think of it as a crowd cheering at a game, a slow-motion shot of a busy street, or a close-up of hands typing on a mechanical keyboard. Those shots are exactly what give your content texture, visual depth, and ultimately keep your viewers glued to the screen. Instead of staring at a talking head for 3 minutes straight, you can cut to a few seconds of a crackling bonfire or a dramatic skyline. Adding these small touches creates variety, and suddenly you will notice your average watch time climbing significantly. Getting started with Vizard is actually stupid simple, even if you are not a technical person. Just drop your long video into the uploader, whether it is a YouTube link or a raw file from your camera. Then pick how many clips you want or the cadence you want them posted at, and hit the auto edit button to let the magic happen. Vizard automatically finds the most viral and shareable moments and turns them into ready-to-post short clips for your socials. From there, you can choose to add B-roll from their built-in stock, connect your own library, or use AI-assisted B-roll suggestions. In just a few seconds, you will have a full timeline of cut-ready clips, each one trimmed to the precise moment that hooks your viewers. If you are new here, welcome, because on this channel we are always helping creators level up their production game. Drop a comment below with your social handle and tell me what you would use your Vizard credits for if you won. We are doing a weekly pick from the comments to give away free credits to folks who are truly serious about growing their channels. I'm going to grab a name and shout them out in the next video, so make sure you are subscribed. But let us not just talk about why B-roll matters, because I want to show you exactly how to use it like a seasoned pro. There are 3 main ways experienced editors use B-roll that will massively impact your audience retention rates. First, you need to use it to enhance your storytelling by acting as visual punctuation for your narrative. When you are explaining a big idea, do not just say it with words, but actually show it to your audience. If I am talking about the grind of doing late-night edits, I will cut to a time-lapse of a messy desk and a flickering laptop screen. That visual context makes your story feel lived in and real, which builds trust with your viewers. Use B-roll to break up long stretches of talking so that your viewers do not get glazed over or bored. Even silent pauses can feel intentional if a beautiful scenic shot plays while you change topics. Add subtle sound design like the hum of a city, footsteps, or a faint synth hit, and suddenly the sequence breathes. Second, use B-roll to cover up your edits and transitions when things get a little messy. We all mess up lines, blink at the wrong moment, or decide mid-recording to cut an entire paragraph. Instead of spending hours re-recording, just drop in a relevant B-roll clip to hide the cut and keep the pacing tight. Pros use B-roll to smooth transitions between ideas, bridging that mental jump for the viewer so the flow feels natural. Use motion B-roll when you need energy and static B-roll when you want the audience to really chill and focus on the audio. Third, you can use B-roll to highlight and emphasize the exact moment you want someone to remember. Say a punchline, a crazy stat, or a call to action, then cut to a quick, impactful image like a reaction shot or a graphic. It is basically the visual equivalent of using bold text or bright colors in a blog post to grab attention. Now let us get practical with Vizard specifically, because that is where the heavy lifting gets fun and fast. After the platform auto-selects clips for you, click into any short and open the B-roll panel to start customizing. You can choose stock footage that feels human-made and authentic to match the vibe of your video. You can also try AI-assisted B-roll suggestions if you want clips that are unique and perfectly tailored to your script. Stock often feels more natural because it is shot by real people, which keeps your brand looking grounded. When you pick your B-roll in Vizard, you will see a preview right away so you know exactly what you are getting. If it is not matching the tone or is too long, just click the clip on the timeline and drag the ends to trim it. You can also tweak the prompt for AI-generated B-roll if you want a different mood or detail, and then simply re-render. Little adjustments like speeding up a clip by 10% or adding a subtle color grade can make everything look cohesive. Here are a few pro tips for getting the absolute most out of your B-roll strategy. Always match the motion and rhythm, because if your main shot is energetic, do not use slow, sleepy B-roll. Keep the visual tempo aligned with the voice so the two elements feel like they are working in harmony. Sound really matters, so layer a soft ambience or tiny audio hits under your B-roll so it does not feel empty. Even faint audio glue helps the viewer feel immersed in the world you are creating. Use B-roll to teach, so when you explain a process, show hands doing it, because people remember actions better than words. And keep it short, because most social clips are consumed quickly and 2 to 6 seconds per shot is usually enough. Compare that to doing everything manually, like buying expensive stock packs, scrubbing hours of footage, or hiring an editor. Other tools might make editing easy, but they often focus narrowly on clips and miss the broader workflow of scheduling and publishing. That is exactly where the platform shines, because it manages the entire end-to-end process for you. Not only does it pick viral parts of your long videos so you do not spend hours chopping, it also has an auto schedule feature. Set your posting frequency, say 3 times a week, and it automatically posts the clips so you are consistently in front of your audience. The content calendar is an absolute lifesaver for anyone managing multiple platforms at once. You can see every clip scheduled across your platforms in one place and shift things around if a trend happens. Other tools might give you editing, but they rarely give you a single dashboard where you can manage, edit, and publish. That is the real difference between building a scattershot strategy and running a content machine. Let us also be real about what to avoid, like heavy-handed B-roll that has nothing to do with the topic. Using the prettiest clip just because it looks cool is a rookie move that confuses your viewers. Instead, always ask yourself if this shot reinforces the line you just said, and do not overdo AI-generated footage to the point where your content looks synthetic or fake. Mix it with human-shot stock or real footage to keep that essential sense of authenticity. Okay, here is a quick walkthrough so you can test this right now on your own device. Upload your long video, let the AI pick the top moments, then click into a clip and open the B-roll chooser. Try both the stock and AI options, press play, and if you like it, just drag the ends to trim. Tweak the prompt if you want different visuals, and add a couple of small sound effects to make it feel cohesive. Hit auto schedule, choose your frequency, and boom, your clips are queued for the week. If you want to get even smarter, use the content calendar to plan a week's worth of thematic clips. That variety, coupled with smart B-roll, will keep new viewers watching and turn casual scrollers into loyal subscribers. Before I wrap up, a quick note on cost and practicality regarding stock libraries and editing. Standalone editors can get you great results, but they often require a steep learning curve that kills momentum. The platform bundles the editing intelligence, scheduling, and publishing tools in one place, saving you time. If you want to try this out, leave your handle in the comments and tell me what you would do with the credits. I will pick a comment and send credits to one creator who sounds like they will actually put them to use. Also, check out the affiliate program if making money while growing your audience sounds appealing. That is it for today, and remember that B-roll is a small tweak with a massive payoff. Use it to tell better stories, hide messy edits, and spotlight the parts of your videos that matter most. I am Andrew, and thanks for watching my breakdown on how to level up your shorts game. I will see you in the next one, so stay creative and keep building.